In this video, we are going to check the water side of the wall-hung installation. First, ensure that each unit in the system has its own set of isolation valves. This will allow each unit to be serviced individually without shutting down the entire hot water system. Next, verify that an expansion tank has been installed on the cold water supply. Then, check the incoming water pressure using a pressure gauge. The rated operating pressure range of the unit is 30 to 160 psi. Note that incoming water pressure of 150 psi or higher will cause the T&P valve to open. For this reason, it is recommended to limit the incoming pressure to 145 psi or less. Please note that the incoming water pressure sets the maximum allowable water hardness per the table in Section 18 of the manual. Section 18 also mentions the maximum allowable mineral content in the incoming water. Please reference this section when checking the water quality. At this time, we can also check the water quality using a water test strip. If your installation includes more than one unit, we recommend using a first-in, last-out piping setup. You can also reference Section 8.5 of the Installation and Operations Manual, which contains our recommended piping diagrams. Finally, let's turn our attention to recirculation. Wall-hung units require an external recirculation pump to be installed in order for the units to function correctly. The recirculation pump should be set to run continuously. This will provide a constant flow of water through the unit, which will keep the unit from overheating when there is a sudden drop in demand. If building recirculation is being used, the recirculation line should tie into the cold water supply. A check valve should also be installed on the cold water supply line to prevent backflow. Ensure the check valve is oriented in the correct direction with the arrow pointing in the direction of flow. If the facility does not have a building recirculation line, an alternative option called the restaurant option can be used to provide continuous flow at the units. Section 8.5 of the manual shows the configuration for this recirculation style. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to product support.